model. This is a large industrial version, essentially, which connects right to the water main.
Right.
And produces a much higher volume.
The water
hydrogen.
main,
the water
garden
line.
hose.
Right. Yeah, garden hose. You can plumb it in like you connect your, dishwasher, or just connect it to a garden hose.
Right.
And it's powered by either solar array, solar panels, which convert sun into electricity, or a wind turbine. Takes the wind, converts it to electricity, or any other way. But the idea is just to use complete green energy. Ideally, I like to run this one on solar. New Mexico gets a lot of sunlight, so that's really all there is to it. You connect it to a water line, plug it into your solar panel, and open the water line. Unit starts producing hydrogen, and when it has a sufficient quantity in there, let the hydrogen out, and you just leave it plugged into your car overnight.
Now, this is the same as those other two tubes, right?
Right.
Hydrogen and oxygen, or whichever. The equivalent of a full tank of gas. You want to fill up your car. How much hydrate do you need?
Well, I'll show you.
No way.
Yeah, that's the volume it takes to store enough hydrogen to propel this car close to 400 miles. Just about what it gets running on a full tank of gas.
Wow.
And it's a lot safer than gasoline.
Really?
Yeah, these tanks can be shot at with incendiary bullets or cut in half with a chainsaw, and you could throw a match on them, they just smolder like a cigarette. And you can't say that about a gas tank. Bubble up out of the other. Remember, water is H2O.
Right.
So when we break the bond of water apart, we'll get twice as much hydrogen gas as we do oxygen.
Oh, so what happens to the water? It just goes away.
Right, it gets converted into...
So each one of these tubes, the water just goes down, but what's left is the gas?
Right.
And there'll be more on this side?
Yes.
And that's the hydrogen side.
Exactly. And that's the negative.
Oh, so it matters which way you hook these up. So you got to hook up positive to what is... The positive's going to make... The...
Positive will make the oxygen, and the negative will make the hydrogen.
Okay.
So we've just connected it there.
Right.
And just by turning it on, you can see bubbles start pouring up out of there.
It's 7-Up.
Kinda.
So those bubbles are... Well, they're not the same. So these are hydrogen bubbles and those are oxygen bubbles.
Right.
And this is wider. There's more of them.
Right. You can see it's really...
Why is there more? Oh, H2.
Oh, right. Yeah. There's twice as much.
Hey! Look at that. Wow!